Embark on your journey to wealth. How to get rich in 2024 and beyond. Welcome to my channel. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Here's a 5-step checklist to help you get rich in 2024. 1. Set clear financial goals. Setting clear financial goals is the crucial first step towards achieving wealth and financial security. When you define your financial goals clearly, you give yourself a roadmap to follow and a destination to aim for. Whether your objective is saving for retirement, purchasing a home, starting a business, or any other financial aspiration, specificity is key. For instance, rather than vaguely aiming to save money, you might set a specific target, such as saving $50,000 for a down payment on a house within the next 3 years. This clarity not only provides you with a tangible target to work towards, but also helps you break down your goals into actionable steps. Additionally, having clear financial goals enhances your motivation and commitment. When you can visualize the rewards of your efforts, it becomes easier to stay focused and disciplined in your financial decisions. Therefore, take the time to identify your financial aspirations and articulate them in specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMRT terms. This approach will empower you to take proactive steps towards realizing your financial dreams and ultimately achieving wealth in 2024 and beyond. 2. Create a budget and stick to it. Creating a budget and adhering to it is fundamental to financial success. A detailed budget provides a comprehensive overview of your income and expenses, enabling you to make informed decisions about your finances. To begin, list all your sources of income, including wages, bonuses, investments, and any other revenue streams. Next, itemize your expenses, categorizing them into fixed expenses, such as rent or mortgage payments, utilities and insurance, and variable expenses, such as groceries, dining out, entertainment, and discretionary spending. Tracking your spending meticulously is essential to understanding your financial habits and identifying areas where you can reduce expenses. By scrutinizing your expenditures, you can pinpoint unnecessary or excessive spending and make adjustments accordingly. This may involve cutting back on non-essential purchases, negotiating lower bills or subscriptions, or finding more cost-effective alternatives. One crucial aspect of budgeting is prioritizing savings and investments. Allocate a portion of your income towards savings and investments consistently, treating them as non-negotiable expenses. Aim to build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses and establish long-term savings goals, such as retirement or education funds. Additionally, consider investing in assets that generate passive income, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds, to grow your wealth over time. Sticking to your budget requires discipline and commitment. Regularly review your budget to ensure that you are staying on track and making progress towards your financial goals. Be willing to adjust your budget as circumstances change, but maintain a firm commitment to your financial plan. By following these steps and adhering to your budget diligently, you can take control of your finances, achieve financial stability, and work towards building wealth in 2024 and beyond. 3. Invest wisely. Investing wisely is essential for building wealth and achieving long-term financial goals. It begins with educating yourself about various investment options, including stocks, bonds, real estate, mutual funds, and other assets. Understanding the risks and potential returns associated with each investment type enables you to make informed decisions aligned with your financial objectives and risk tolerance. Diversifying your investment portfolio is another critical strategy to mitigate risk. By spreading your investments across different asset classes and sectors, you can reduce the impact of market volatility and protect your portfolio from downturns in any single investment. Additionally, seeking advice from a qualified financial advisor can provide valuable insights and guidance tailored to your individual circumstances and goals. A financial advisor can help you develop a personalized investment strategy, navigate complex financial markets, and make sound investment decisions that align with your risk tolerance and long-term objectives. By investing wisely and diversifying your portfolio, you can increase your chances of achieving financial success and building wealth in 2024 and beyond. 4. Increase your income. Increasing your income is a pivotal step towards achieving financial prosperity and building wealth. This involves actively seeking opportunities to boost your earnings through various avenues. One strategy is advancing in your career by seeking promotions, negotiating salary increases, or acquiring additional skills and certifications to qualify for higher-paying positions. Additionally, starting a side hustle or freelance gig can provide supplementary income streams outside of your primary job. Whether it's offering services, selling products online, or monetizing a hobby, side hustles offer flexibility and the potential to generate additional revenue. Investing in yourself through education and skill development is another effective way to increase your earning potential. Pursuing further education, attending workshops, or obtaining professional certifications can enhance your qualifications and make you more competitive in the job market. Furthermore, diversifying your income sources by exploring multiple streams of revenue can accelerate wealth accumulation. This could include rental income from real estate investments, dividends from stocks, royalties from intellectual property, or passive income from online businesses. By proactively seeking opportunities to increase your income and diversifying your revenue streams, you can expedite your journey towards financial success and achieve your wealth-building goals in 2024 and beyond. 5. Stay disciplined and patient. Staying disciplined and patient is crucial when it comes to building wealth. While the desire for quick results may be tempting, it's essential to recognize that accumulating significant wealth takes time and consistent effort. It's important to adhere to your financial plan even when faced with challenges or setbacks. This means resisting the urge to deviate from your long-term goals in response to short-term fluctuations or obstacles. Avoid making impulsive decisions that could derail your progress and instead remain focused on the bigger picture. Consistency is key. Continue to save, invest, and make prudent financial decisions even during times of uncertainty. Remember that financial success is a journey, and there will inevitably be ups and downs along the way. By staying disciplined, patient, and committed to your financial plan, you can overcome obstacles, weather market volatility, and ultimately achieve your wealth-building objectives. By diligently following these steps and tailoring them to your individual circumstances, you can significantly enhance your likelihood of achieving wealth in 2024. Setting clear financial goals, creating a budget, investing wisely, increasing your income, and maintaining discipline and patience are essential components of a successful wealth-building strategy. By consistently implementing these principles and adapting them to your unique situation, you can position yourself for financial success and work towards achieving your goals of wealth accumulation in the year 2024. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.